I wanted to share this nifty little program that I use. It's become my new favourite program because we all have those moments where we have a PDF that either we need to fill in and send back to someone, or we need to send someone to fill in for them to send back to us. And the whole printing it off, handwriting it, taking a photo or scanning it just doesn't really work, and it's not necessary. So I want to share with you PDF Escape. This website, it's free to use. It's just pdfescape.com, and I'll write all of this below in the blog post, so don't worry about screenshotting this or anything now. So when you come onto this website, it looks a bit old school, but it works amazingly. You don't need an account or anything. You can set one up if you want to save projects that you're working on, but you'll come to this page, and all you need to do, you can either drag and drop from your desktop if you have a file saved there, or we just go choose file. I've got one here ready, set up. Open, it will then upload, and you will come to this page here. So these are the areas that we want to fill in and make editable. So all we do is come over to this side menu panel, we'll click form field, and you have got all these different options here that you can use. I am going to focus on these top three, so text paragraph and checkbox, because these are pretty much the only ones that I use, to be honest with you. So that kind of tells me that they'll probably be the most common one, but feel free to play around and explore with the other ones. So to start with, let's do text. We click select, and all you do is click down on your mouse and drag out the area that you'd like to be editable, and it will turn green. One thing that I just want to flag here, because it's caught me out a couple of times, is change the font and the font size if you would like to now when you first create the box. So let's just make that size 14, because then what we shall do, you can either then go to your next and drag and create another box there, and you'll see it's saved the font and font size, so we don't have to keep changing that each time. Or another way is if you right click, duplicate, it will duplicate that exact box, so then you can just drag it to where you want to go. If you then want to change the format that you're working in, so if you keep dragging and or duplicating, you're recreating these same boxes. So now I want to create a paragraph box. So we went to form field here, clicked on that, and then just drop down to text paragraph, select exactly the same thing. This will just allow you to work within a bigger box. So we've just done that. Let's duplicate that again to go in here, and again you can use these corners to resize if you would like. Duplicate again to go into this one. I'm just going to make that a bit smaller. Then down here I've just got some examples of tick boxes. So we're going to go back to form field, we're going to go checkbox, select, and then if we click in this box over here, so I'm just going to resize that and drag that over, you'll see that it's already got a tick in it. I would suggest, well, if you think that if it's kind of a recommended element or something, leave the tick there. If not, if we just click on that again, you'll see that the tick disappears. So for anything that you don't want to be pre-filled, I would just click again and make sure that isn't pre-ticked. And then we're just going to duplicate again here, duplicate again there, and you can see you can go back and pre-tick them if you'd like. Duplicate again. I shouldn't have done so many for my example, but I'm going to carry on now because I've started. when we save this, these boxes won't be green. This is just so you can see where you've created some boxes. Okay, there we are. So this is everything on this form that I would like to be editable. Now, if you have a account, you would just click save there. So you can come back. If you don't have an account, if you come back onto this page, it's unlikely that this information would still be there. Then what we're going to do is click on these arrows here. So that save and download, that will go to your downloads. And then I've just opened that up there. Oh, where's it gone? Here. Right, so now you can see, here is my PDF, and here I can type in it, I can tick the boxes, I can put my business name, I won't give you all my phone number, there we are, and we can put loads of text in here, that's all good. And then all we would ask our clients or whoever you've sent this form to is just hit save and send it back, and boom, you've got your PDF already filled in. And that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.